I got another beard oil review from the Alpha Beard Company, so just keep watching. Alright guys, I hope everybody's week is going well. I've got another beard oil from the Alpha Beard Company. I did one before. You should be able to see it here, I think is where it goes. Yeah, I think it comes up here. It should. Just watch for it. It'll come up. I'm reviewing another oil from the Alpha Beard Company. This one is their Sandalwood blend. Alright. And again, we'll get into the packaging here real quick. It's got a classic glass amber bottle with an eyedropper. Like the eyedropper. Always love the eyedropper system. I just love the control you get from an eyedropper. Okay, again, like I said, if you haven't seen another video before, but I'm going to say it again because I really love this. If you look on the label here, that is a brass knuckle with a beard. That's freaking badass. I love that label. I really do. I just love that logo. It's so cool. Let's get into the ingredients here. Okay, so we have jojoba oil, that's your carrier oil, and then it's got essential oils, wood, sandalwood, and cedar. Okay, so lots of different wood oils in there. I got to tell you guys, I tend to be my personal preferences. Okay, I tend not to usually go towards the cedar or the heavy woodsy oils. Okay, I don't mind cedar when it's blended with some other things. I've had some very nice ones that come off like cedar, and then they because of the other oils with them, it really turns into something really nice. This one is just not in my preferences, so I'll get into how it kind of smells here. Okay, so has a very rustic, very woodsy smell. Again, just not my preference. Okay, if you're a guy that does like the real woodsy stuff, I'd say check this out. I kind of showed this to a couple of my friends, some other bearded brothers of mine, and they have different tastes than me, and they said this one actually seemed really nice. They liked it. So I will say this, I used this for a week. Okay. One thing I did like about it is I put it in my beard, and it would do the job. It would get in there. It would definitely moisturize. My beard color looked better. I probably needed about 2 applications a day because I was just wearing just oil. I typically am an oil and balm guy. I do both. One thing I did like is once that real intense wood smell left, it did, for whatever reason, and it's probably because of the way the woods kind of act, but once it mellowed out, I actually did have like a really nice fresh scent in my beard. And I liked it. Like I said, it's comfortable oil. You can tell it's a good quality oil that they're using here. But like I said, just this particular aroma is just not in my preference. Okay, so if you're looking for something real woodsy and you like those kind of oils, check this one out. You might like it. Like I said, just doesn't sit with me like other ones. And I guess I've had other sandalwood products, and this just didn't kind of match up to the other ones I've had before. I think the quality of the product here is good. It's effective. I would definitely give it a good recommend on that. It's just the smell on this one just isn't in my preferences. So again, Alpha Beard Company, I think they make a good product. If you do like the real woodsy stuff, check this one out. I think it's worthwhile. The quality's there. You might prefer this more than me. All right, so guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down there below. Hit that subscribe button if you like beard oil reviews like this. Take care.